Welcome to our deep dive into the world of sentiment analysis and opinion mining. In this video, we are going to explore how artificial intelligence learns to understand human emotions, tones, and attitudes hidden within written text. So, what exactly is sentiment analysis? At its core, it is the computational process of identifying opinions in text. Think of it as teaching a computer to read a sentence and decide, is this person happy, unhappy, or just stating a fact? It involves three main steps: detecting subjective information, classifying the attitude, and extracting valuable insights. The most basic form of this analysis focuses on polarity. We usually break this down into three categories: positive, like when someone says, "I love this product." Neutral, for factual statements like the package arrived on Tuesday. And negative, for complaints such as the service was terrible. Why is this technology so important? For businesses, it is a game changer. It allows for real-time brand monitoring on social media. It helps analyze thousands of product reviews instantly. It can even prioritize angry customer support tickets to prevent cancellations and provide deep market research insights. But modern AI goes beyond just positive or negative. We call this fine-grained emotion analysis. Instead of a simple score, the system can detect specific feelings like joy, anger, sadness, or surprise. This gives us a much richer understanding of the user's state of mind. Let us clarify two common terms. Sentiment analysis usually refers to the polarity, is it good or bad? Opinion mining, however, goes deeper into the details. It asks, who is the subject? What specific aspect is being judged? It is about extracting the specific targets of the opinion. This is where generative AI and large language models have revolutionized the field. Old methods relied on counting keywords, often missing the point. New generative AI models understand context, nuance, and idioms. They can explain exactly why a review is positive, offering human-level accuracy. Despite these advancements, challenges remain. Sarcasm is a big one. Saying "great job" when you mean the opposite can confuse machines. Context also matters. The word sick can mean cool in slang or ill in a medical context. Mixed emotions and double negatives also require sophisticated handling. Here is a real-world example of how this looks. Imagine a customer review that praises a product's battery life but complains about the screen. Advanced AI can split this single review into two distinct sentiments: a positive score for the battery and a negative score for the screen. This is far more useful than a single average star rating. Looking ahead, the future is multimodal. We are moving beyond just text. The next generation of systems combines written words with audio analysis to hear tone of voice and video analysis to read facial expressions. This combination provides a complete picture of human emotion. To wrap up, remember these key points. Sentiment analysis identifies emotions in text to help businesses understand their customers. Modern AI has moved beyond simple labels to understand complex context and sarcasm. And finally, the future of this technology will integrate text, audio, and video for total emotional awareness.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.